What is up YouTube, welcome back to yet another video. It's your boy Kaden, aka Potato Cake, back, and today man, I have something, you know, you see this title and it says, oh, I got scammed for my fidget spinner, and it's this thing right here. You may think, oh, you didn't get scammed, it spins. Well, the reason I think, this is my opinion, the reason I think I got scammed is because of the sound it makes. There's like this maraca sound, and like boom. Anyways, and you know, I bought it for $5. I don't think I said that, but I got it from this dodgy $2 shop place, and you know, it looks like a fidget spinner. It spins like a fidget spinner, although I don't know if it's really fidget. If it is a real fidget spinner, like I think maybe fake, like really fake. Also, look at this. It's not even tight. It makes this really annoying sound. Guy who was selling it was really dodgy. Shop was dodgy as hell. But yeah. Now before you hate, like I said, this was my opinion, and I know it's somewhat of clickbait, but I don't know. What do you guys think? Did I get scammed? Leave some comments in the comment section below, telling me if I got scammed for this or if I didn't get scammed. Tell me, I really want to know you guys' opinions and thoughts on this. And if you can tell me where to go buy fidget spinners for $5 Australian. And I know I've seen eBay where it takes 3 to 5 weeks of shipping. I don't want to wait too long for this. I mean, maybe the eBay ones are probably legit. Tell me where to buy them. I think, I don't know where to buy them, but it's like too far away from my house, so I wouldn't go there anyways. Yeah, look at that skill, bro. There's that. That was really cringy, but like I said, guys, this was my opinion. And you know, no need to hate or anything. I just think I bought a fake fidget spinner. But yeah, thanks.